Warm, flaky salmon rolls filled with cream cheese, mushrooms, and green chilies. Wrapped in buttery puff pastry and finished with a honey Dijon glaze. Comforting, easy, and unbelievably good. Let's bake it! Half a block of cream cheese, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of diced green chilies, and 1 drained 4-ounce can of chopped mushroom. Mix everything together until well combined. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry. I'm using 10 ounces of lightly smoked, skinless salmon. You can also use fresh salmon, just season it with a little salt and black pepper. Slice the salmon into thinner pieces so it rolls and shapes more easily. For the egg wash, whisk 1 tablespoon of milk with 1 egg yolk until smooth. Unroll the puff pastry and spread the mushroom mixture evenly over the surface, leaving about a 2-inch border at the end. Then place the salmon pieces on top. Roll the pastry from the salmon side, keeping it tight. And brush the outside lightly with egg wash as you roll. Slice the log into 8 pieces. Press firmly with your knife to cut cleanly through the salmon. Place the rolls onto a baking sheet and reshape them if needed. Top each one with a sprinkle of shredded Italian cheese. Brush on a little more egg wash and gently press down any pieces that are taller. This helps them bake evenly. Sprinkle each roll with Italian herbs and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 27 minutes. Let's make the honey Dijon sauce. Add 1 tablespoon each of Dijon mustard, honey, lemon juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt, and mix until smooth. The salmon rolls just came out of the oven and they smell incredible. Golden, flaky, puffed, and so tempting. While they are still hot, brush the tops with the honey Dijon sauce. And finish with fresh chopped parsley. And here they are. These salmon puff pastry rolls are one of the easiest appetizers you can make. Buttery pastry, creamy salmon filling, roasted flavors, and that glossy honey Dijon finish. Rich, savory, and absolutely irresistible. So simple, so good. They melt in your mouth. Give them a try, you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you'd try this and how it turns out. See you tomorrow for the crab rangoon Hawaiian rolls that my family is crazy about. You don't want to miss it. And as always, keep tasting the world one bite at a time. See you then!